Okay?
You gotta do the Christmas presents.
Put it over here. Wow, you got two? A tree and
What's that, Justin?
Huh?
What do you got, man? What you got
Right.
in there? What you got in there?
Hold
No,
on.
not yet, not yet. After we open our presents.
So cool.
Can you do that, Kenny?
No, he can't have that. But it's
Do you think Santa put A for Aiden?
probably did it for show.
A for Aiden and S for Sean?
That's what it looks like to me.
Oh, there's an A and an F on it?
Yeah, there's an A on that one.
Santa came last
Put
night
your initials.
with a bunch more.
Let me see the black one. Let me see the black one.
The green one? What is that?
What is that?
I know what this is.
Wow, those are sacks. Where's the zipper?
Oh, a bag.
Wow.
Cool. Aiden, you need help?
I got a black one.
That's a green one.
Good.
Dark green. Dark green. What else is in there?